All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Thursday adverb. So further, further, moving on towards something, or for a longer time and distance. Longer. If I'm starting here and I want to get to A, but if I go to B, B is further than A. Than A. Yeah, further. I travelled further north. Yes, we walked further into the forest. Yeah. Oh, what do you know? We walked further this time. Yeah. I have never been further than this before. Further than this before. Further south. Yeah. We will go further north next time. Yeah. Very good. Do you think they could have gone further? Yes, they might have gone further. They might have gone further if they had known how to. Maybe, yeah. I'm driving much further than I thought. Yes, we might want to go further next time. Yes, it depends on things. Yeah. But each time we go there, we travel a little further north. Each time. Go there, come back. Yeah. Oh, in the summer, I will go further north than Glasgow and Edinburgh. Yeah. Very good. She thinks that this will be the furthest she will have travelled. Furthest in the future. Yeah. No. The furthest we will travel is to John O'Groats in the northern part of Scotland. Yes. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. How cool is that? So, very good. So, yeah. Further. We can't go any further into the forest. We can't go any further into the forest. No way. We can't go any further into the forest. No way. Yeah. No way. It's too dangerous. Yeah, it's too dangerous. Yeah. So, further. Now, can you use further in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.